Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time watching my videos, click the subscribe button below together with the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever my new uploads are already up here on YouTube, okay? So do you want some tips on how you could increase and maintain your speed in writing shorthand? Stay tuned to find out and we will talk about that later after this intro. So the fastest dictation I ever took back in college was at 110 words per minute. Back then, I thought that our professor was just being so cruel to us for doing the dictation at that kind of speed. But later on, I realized when I was already working as a course stenographer that 110 words per minute is kind of slow in the trial court because people in the trial court talk even faster than that. But since I was trained with that kind of speed before, I was able to adapt very fast. And besides, before I even got hired, I used to practice a lot at home. I wrote in shorthand everything that I heard on radio and TV and everything that I read on the newspaper, especially those published orders coming from the trial court. So here are some tips to help you increase and maintain your speed in shorthand. Tip number 1, for the beginners, practice always makes your speed in writing shorthand better every single day. Just like I mentioned,
I used to practice a lot at home.
I gain my speed through time by practicing a lot. And if you are planning to work as a course stenographer like me, you must also familiarize yourself with all the legal terms, of course, and practice writing them down in shorthand. And you must also learn about the stages of a case, either a civil case or a criminal case for that matter. Tip number 2, during dictation and or the trial proper itself, do not ever dwell on the words that you might miss writing. What do I mean by that? If there's ever a word that you miss to write, do not concentrate on that word and always be in the now. Write about what you are presently hearing. Those missed words are just gonna drag and slow you down. Believe me on that because that is one of my mistakes when I was just starting as a course stenographer back then. Okay, tip number 3, learn not to mind your writing materials, meaning whether you are using a ruled paper or just a plain sheet, it should not matter at all. But yes, ruled paper actually helps you maintain your speed, and it also serves as your guide in reading your notes faster later on. But nonetheless, it should not be that much of concern whether you are using ruled pad or not. You must learn how to write shorthand in both types of paper, okay? So that's it for this video. I hope I was able to enlighten you guys with these tips on how you could increase and maintain your writing speed in shorthand. Continue on watching my videos for more tips like this. And if you are still watching up to this point, thank you for your time. I hope to see you on my channel more often. Bye-bye. Oh, before I forgot, I would like to do some shoutouts.
Shout out.
Okay, shout out to Gabriel Agapito's YouTube channel and to Mark Remando's YouTube channel, and shout out to the following subscribers. Okay?